Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel Code is Arcade. In today's video, we'll be finishing up with the Java Stream API concepts, and today we'll be learning about collecting a stream. Okay, so in the earlier one, we have learned about reducing. So before talking about this video, let me request you to please like and share our videos with your friends and family. And at the same time, if you guys really like our content, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel because that really motivates us to create more content for you. Okay, thanks a lot for your support. So let's get started. Let me go to my IDE now and let's start. Okay, here you can see this was our earlier program, the reduce example, where I showed you how you can actually reduce a list of data into a particular value. Okay, here you can see we reduce this list of integers into a single digit sum by using the Java Stream API. Also, we show how to reduce it to a product by using the Stream API. If I run this, you can see the output. See, the sum was 15 and the product was 120. Guys, if you have not watched this video, let me give the link in the description. Go ahead, watch that and come back here well prepared. Okay, so that you can easily go along with this video. Fine. So today, as I said, we will talk about the collect example. Okay, what is actually the collect example? Okay, the collect method in the Stream API in Java is actually used to convert a kind of data into a stream, and then from that stream we retrieve the required data into a particular collection. It can be anything, it can be a list, it can be a map, it can be anything. Okay, so the data, as I said, it can be a list. This will be converted to a stream, and then when we use the collect method on this stream, what happens? It is actually converted into a list, because in this case we have taken list. It can be any data type. Okay, so that is actually the use of the collect function. It really helps you to collect the data from a stream and store it into a particular data structure. Okay, let me show you the syntax so that you can remember, and it is very important for interviews. Okay, so here we go like this. We have R. I will tell you what is R, don't worry. We have the collect function, and then inside that we have the collector. Okay, and then we have the angular bracket with the wildcard, and then we have the super. We have T comma A comma R, the bracket closed, and then we have the collector. Okay, this is the syntax. Now you might be wondering what is R here. Okay, let's start with T. T is actually the type of the stream elements. Okay, then what's A? A is actually the accumulator, to accumulate the data. Okay, or the stream. Then finally R is the type of the result. Okay, or you can say final result to be precise. Fine. So this is the work of the collect method in the Stream API. We have talked about the theory. Let's go to our project explorer and try to write a code on that. Okay, so simply I will take a new Java class called collect example. Okay, here we'll just see a simple example. Main function, and I will take a list of integers, say numbers, is equal to, I will call my arrays class. Here I will use the asList function, and here I will take say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Got it? I've taken 10 numbers in a list of integers. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to collect them into a list again, but from a stream. Okay, so what I do, I will just say list of integers only, because this should be the final result data type. Okay, so I will take even numbers. Suppose I want to store only the even numbers, is equal to, first I will use numbers dot stream. You know this function, right? Then Remember, in order to collect them, first we have to filter them. Okay. So dot filter. Here I will take n as a variable. I will give an arrow. You know this. This is a lambda expression, correct? Then I will give the condition. So it will be n modulus of 2 equal 0 because I need the even numbers. Fine. Here I will say dot collect, and in the collectors you can see we have a function called toList. This is it. We're done with this. Now I can simply say s out and print the even numbers, and let's see if this is even working or not. Fine. I'll say plus even numbers. Let's run this and check. Yes, guys, you can see it's working fine. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. So please remember, even before we collect, we have to filter them out, because then only we'll be able to collect. Collect will only just collect the data. We have to filter them, then we will get our required and desired numbers. Okay. Please remember that. Now, let's do one thing. We have already seen this example. Let's try out one more example so that you can be even more clear about this concept of the collect function. Okay. So I will take one more example. Say suppose I want to concatenate some strings into one. Okay. I'm taking a class called concatenation. Fine. Here in the main function, what I will do, we'll take a stream of string. Okay. And I will say string is equal to, let me just remove this spaces. I will just say, I will call the stream again. And here we have the off method where I can store my strings. I will say coders, comma, I'll give a space. I'll say again, comma, arcade, comma, give one more space. You can say YouTube and give one comma, and here I can say channel. Okay. So we have a stream of strings. You can see coders, then arcade, then YouTube, then channel. Fine. And let me give some exclamation marks to make it even more catchy. Fine. Now what I do, we'll create one more new string from this called concatenated string is equal to, we will use our string stream dot collect. You can see here we have the dot collect function. I'll simply say with the semicolon. Okay. And let's try to do something here. Okay. So guys, you might have heard about the string buffer and the string builder classes. Okay. What I do is, first I will take the string buffer. You can see here, or builder, anyone you can take. I'm taking the string builder. And let's create an object, but in the stream API the object creation is a little bit catchy and a little bit different. Okay, so don't get confused with the syntax. Okay, it is like this, and you can see I'm getting access to the functions, all the functions of the string builder class. Okay, so I need to first create an object, so it is like this, new, and then I give a comma, and then see, I need the adding or concatenation of all of the strings, so it is again string builder colon append. Okay, let me give a space like this here, and after that, guys, remember one thing, the first one here is for the object, the second one is only for the accumulator as I have told you earlier, and the third one here will be actually for the operation that we will do. Okay, I will again have to say string builder colon append. Okay, till now our task is done, but we have to convert that into a string because it is still a stream only. So I'll just say dot to string. You can see the error is gone. Correct. So we have actually concatenated a stream of strings into a concatenated string variable by using the collect method in the stream API. Okay, let's try to see even if it is running or not. I will just say s out and print my concatenated string. So it should be printing coder space arcade space YouTube space channel. Let's run this and check. Yeah, you can see it's working fine, but I didn't give a space here, right? So let's give a space again and give a comma here. Now let's run this. Yeah, see guys, we have got the output properly. So guys, in the middle of the video only, I'm telling you, if you really like the content that we're bringing, please subscribe to our channel, guys. It is really helpful in motivating us to create more better content to you. Okay, we strive to create good content for you, so please, it's a humble request, subscribe to our channel and share it with as many people as you can. Okay, so this is it about the stream API collect function, guys. I hope you have understood this. Any doubts, any queries, post them in the comment section. The comment section is yours, it belongs to you. Write whatever doubts you have, write it out, we'll help you out, don't worry about that. Okay, thanks for watching till the end. Till the next video, this is Saurabh signing off. Bye bye and thank you.